Tom, I don't want to cook today. I'm too tired.
Me too. Let's go out. What do you want to eat?
I want a burger. Let's go to Burger Town.
Great idea. I love Burger Town. Let's go.
Oh, they have so many things. There are burgers, chicken sandwiches, salads, and fries.
And look, they have milkshakes today. Chocolate, strawberry, and vanilla.
I fancy a strawberry milkshake and a yummy cheeseburger.
Hello. Welcome to Burger Town. Can I take your order?
Yes, please. Can I have, 2 cheeseburgers with fries?
Of course. What size fries would you like? Small, medium, or large?
Let me see. I'll have large, please.
Okay, sounds great. And would you like a drink with that?
Yes, I'd like a strawberry milkshake and a lemonade. Oh, I forgot. Can you add a salad also, please?
Great choice. What dressing would you like on your salad? We offer many options. Ranch, Italian, honey mustard, and more.
I'll have ranch, please. We'll take some ketchup and barbecue sauce too.
Okay, coming right up.
I'll pay by card. What is my total?
Your total is $12.50. We'll bring your food over when it's ready.
That's great. Thank you.
Order number 42.
This is so good.
Mine too. This milkshake is amazing. You know what? I'm glad we didn't cook today.
Me too. Let's go home now. Oh, I'm getting so sleepy. I'm gonna put my head down. I have a big day tomorrow.